Good morning, afternoon or evening. Time for my next episode. Data governance has been defined by many groups. 3 of these are from Dama, Ladley and Microsoft. Now, Dama talks about the exercise of authority, control and shared decision making, planning, monitoring and enforcement over the management of data assets. Whereas Ladley talks about data governance is the organisation and implementation of policies, procedures, structure, role and responsibilities, which outline and enforce rules of engagement, decision rights and accountabilities for the effective management of information assets. And Microsoft talk about this as the collection of processes, policies, roles, metrics and standards that ensure an effective and efficient use of information. This also helps establish data management processes that keep your data secured, private, accurate and usable through the data lifecycle. Now, data governance has 2 sides: the creation of rules and policies to help management of data, and the hands-on managing of data by data stewards. And as Peter Aiken says, they are the implementation arm of governance and that first line of defence. I wholeheartedly agree with Ladley when he says data governance is required business capability if you want to get value from your data. There are many connected areas in the business that need to work together to create that valuable data asset. And as you can see, data governance is complex. And the spray diagram helps visualize that high-level complexity. It is based on that Dama-de-Bock body of knowledge and experience that I've gained working with lots of different customers. I mean, this diagram illustrates the interconnectedness of data governance elements. And to find out more, you can take a look at the Microsoft site. So this web page is a really useful resource. What is data governance? More details about data governance definition. It then goes on to talk about the benefits of data governance and those sort of clear details about how to break down silos. Then a little bit more about things to improve, about having like a single source of the truth, and then how to provide sort of reliable data from working with data governance. And then continues with that challenges of data governance, a bit more about principles and best practices, and then drilling down into 5 governance principles: accountability, rules and regulations, that data quality, that transparency, that data administration, and then just a little bit more details about how to get started with thinking big but start small, appoint an executive sponsor, build your use case, develop the right metrics, and then keep communicating with all levels. And then finally, at the bottom of the page, it then starts talking about the EDMC Council and from that cloud data management capabilities, and then mentioning these different areas within the framework about what data governance should encapsulate. And you can see it goes right down to master data management. So definitely worth taking a look at this web page. Thank you for watching and see you next time.